In this video, I will show you how you can transfer your data from your SSD to your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just grab your SSD, then plug the cable of your SSD to your phone. Now if you have an older SSD which has a USB end instead of a USB Type-C, so in that case just use a USB to USB Type-C connector. Now after you get the connector, now just plug in the connector to your SSD and plug that USB Type-C end to your phone. Now once you connect your phone to your SSD, the next step is just open the app drawer, and from here just look for the My Files app. Now on this page, if you scroll down, you will find the option for USB storage under external storage. From here, just open your SSD. Now from your SSD, just scroll down and select the photos and videos which you want to transfer. For example, I'll transfer this photo and video from my SSD to this phone. So just tap and hold on a photo and video and select the photos and videos which you want to transfer. Now just tap on copy. Now at the top of the screen, just swipe to the left side and select internal storage. Now in your phone storage, just scroll down and select the folder where you want to copy your data. For example, I'll select the downloads folder, and from here you can either open another folder or you can create a folder. I'll just copy it over here. Now if I go back, now in the My Files app, let's open the folder where we have saved our data. In our case, it is in the downloads folder, so I'll just open the downloads folder. And as you can see, this is the video which I have transferred. And also if I scroll down, I will find the photo which I have transferred over here. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.